मैं बहुत बोलूंगी, अभी मेरे पास कुछ और भी है शेयर करने के लिए।
अच्छा बताओ।
ओके, आई हैव अ जोक अगेन फॉर यू गाइस।
एक मिनट, एक बात बताओ, बैक स्टेज क्या है? कोई कोई वहीं पे कोई स्टोर है, कोई वॉल्ट है, कहाँ से निकालती है जोक्स?
बस निकाल लेते हैं पीछे, सीक्रेट है, सबको थोड़ा ना बताएंगे।
अच्छा ठीक है।
Okay. Several weeks after a young man had been hired, he was called into the personal director's office and he was asked, "What is the meaning of this?" The director asked, "When you applied for this job, you told us that you had 5 years experience.
5 years experience, अच्छा।
And now we discovered that this is the first job you have ever got." And that gentleman said, "Well, in your advertisement you said you wanted somebody with imagination."
Talk about imagination. क्या बात है जी, क्या बात है जी। 5 years experience. Shweta, I have to tell you one thing. You're really cute, yeah. You're very cute.
Thank you, Raman. Thanks a lot.
Hey, listen, don't get too carried away, huh? When I say cute, I mean just creating useless trouble everywhere. Yeah. She's just creating useless trouble everywhere she goes. That's Shweta for you. But hey, I tell you what, she's very, very nice. She's a very nice girl. And we got lots of interesting stuff for them. Shweta, तुम बहुत बोल रही हो. So I think एक tongue twister तुम ही कराओगी अब सबसे. ठीक है?
Okay, fine.
क्या कराओगे?
एक और चीज है मेरे दिमाग में।
एक और चीज है?
हाँ, one thought.
Thought.
One thought.
ठीक है, please share it.
Okay.
हाँ.
I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I thought, I wouldn't have thought so much.
Why did we think in the first place then? That's just the way it is. Shweta, this is not going to be the tongue twister. You have to get on with tongue twister. यहाँ पे कौन है जो सोचता है कि वो श्वेता जितना बोल सकता है या बोल सकती है? प्लीज
कौन मुझे बीट करे?